रिस्क असेसमेंट एंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट। हम रिस्क असेसमेंट और रिस्क मैनेजमेंट को नेशनल बायोसेफ्टी रूल 2005 के मुताबिक पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले आपका रिस्क असेसमेंट मेथडोलॉजी और रिस्क मैनेजमेंट के टॉपिक्स पे अबूर होना ज़रूरी है। Now let's talk about risk assessment and risk management in accordance with Article 15 Annex 3 of Cartagena Protocol as set forth in the Biosafety Guidelines, that National Biosafety Committee will monitor all activities that are performed by the researchers, that whether they are according to biosafety guidelines or not, or whether these activities are falling biosafety levels or not. इसके अलावा नेशनल बायोसेफ्टी कमेटी इस बात का भी ध्यान रखेगी कि क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट को स्टार्ट करने से पहले उन्हें लाइसेंस मिला था, या जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड ऑर्गेनिजम्स को डील करने से पहले वो फेडरल एजेंसी से लाइसेंस ले चुके हैं या नहीं। Now, risk assessment is to assess the risk from the hazardous material. There are different methodologies, and in Pakistan usually we follow risk assessment scheme in which we compare the variables, and the second method is the scoring system in which we check out that whether the activities are at which risk level. So according to the data we can assess the risk. But here management is very important, which is performed by three ways. The first one is auditing, second one is evaluation, and the third one is field trial. Now here auditing of risk assessment is required ताकि पता चल सके कि risk assessment जो की गई है either by following the scoring system or mathematical models whether they are biased or not, क्योंकि अगर डेटा properly collect नहीं हुआ उसमें accuracy नहीं है, then there is a matter of bias in risk assessment auditing. Then the evaluation of risk management measures are there कि risk एक दफ़ा assess हो गया, क्या वो फ्यूचर में प्रॉपरली मैनेज हो रहा है कि नहीं। इसके लिए हम डिफरेंट एवेल्युएशन मेजर्स को फॉलो करेंगे which are mentioned in the National Biosafety Rule 2005. Then the third way of managing risk assessment are the field trials, which are carried out on case-by-case studies in a scientifically sound manner.